clothes, casual clothes, blouse, sweater, jumper, skirt, pleat, hem, t-shirt, stripes, jeans, sweatshirt, shorts, Bermuda shorts, cardigan, tank top, dress, leggings, short-sleeved shirt, polo shirt, sun hat, V-neck, round neck, nightwear, camisole, slippers, eye mask, pajamas, nightie, night dress, bathrobe, dressing gown, underwear, panties, knickers, jockey shorts, pants, boxer shorts, socks, bra, slip dress, undershirt, vest, pantyhose, tights, stockings, corset, busk, garter, suspenders. Verbs for clothes: to wear, to fit, to put on, to take off, to fasten, to unfasten, to suit someone, to change, to get changed, to hang up, to fold, to turn up, to try something on.